Learning the French days of the week. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn about the days of the week in French. Knowing these will not only boost your vocabulary, but also help you in planning and discussing your schedule in French. The week starts with Monday, which in French is lundi. It sounds like lundi. Remember, the French week starts on Monday, not Sunday. Next comes Tuesday, or mardi in French. It's pronounced like mardi. Think of it as a day to march forward in the week. Wednesday is mercredi, pronounced mar-cru-di. It's the middle of the work week, a great day to reflect on progress. Jeudi, meaning Thursday, is pronounced jeudi. Think of it as the day to enjoy just before the weekend starts. Friday in French is vendredi, said as vendredi. It's the day to wind down and plan for the weekend. The weekend begins with Saturday, or samedi in French. Pronounce it samedi. It's a day to savor relaxation or adventure. Finally, Sunday is dimanche, pronounced dimanche. It's a day to dim the pace and prepare for the upcoming week. And there you have it, the 7 days of the week in French. Practice these regularly, and soon you'll be comfortable discussing your weekly plans in French. À bientôt!